Okay, so at this point, I'm just kind of making this video to just kind of show you more of what I see. I, I want to open your eyes to the bigger picture of it, just so you kind of just know more of what to look for. So, and I just feel like CAD CAHF right now is just like one of the best examples right now. So, I'm going to start off with the Gartley patterns price action chart. We're going to basically I always check to see if there's a harmonic or anything just to kind of confirm things. But at this point, there isn't a pattern right now. Right now, as I'm looking at it, I feel like it's trying to make a larger W. Like it got rejected by structure 3 times so far. So right now, I feel like this may be trying to form like an M structure, go down, and bounce right back up. But we're not going to stop there. I'm going to the monthly chart right now. So you kind of just see how that's just trending right now. Oops. There. So you want to go where the lines bounce off the most, like we said in previous videos. So one touch. Yes, there was rejection here, there was rejection here, but it touched here, and it touched here. So pretty much, it's just been in a strong channel. I might as well highlight this too. Because at some point, these things do disappear. So basically, each time it hits a certain point in this channel, it rejects, creating lower lows. Well, lower highs, I should say. And then we want to get to about here. What do you see? You see a channel within a trend. I'm just going to change the colors real quick. That way, just to kind of separate things a bit. So basically, this is a weekly structure at this point. So in a weekly, it's just been respecting the zone. Yes, there has been some slight rejection, but it comes right back inside the zone each and every time. And just to see, whoops, I clicked on the wrong one. Not the extension. What's going on here? To get an idea where it may bounce. And at the same time, I want to get some support and resistance areas. Let me change that back to lime, just for the fact that I like the lime. Oh, I hit the wrong color. Oh well. Deal with it at the moment. Cause I'm almost done here. Anyways. It doesn't go far back. And then because this is where the channel is, and there's multiple touches too, I'll mark this as a stronger point as well. And I'll move that one up. No, I'll keep that one there, and then just create another one. And then I would, with this being the spot where it reverses the most, I would make that the take profit 1. But at the same time, you can make this area your take profit 1 as well. You can make that area take profit 1, then you can make it 2 right here. And then glancing at the structure, to be honest, there is some chance that it could go down for the fact that it's been in the trend. So one of the scenarios it could do here is it could bounce right up, hit that yellow line, or off the 6-1. Yeah, the yellow line is actually on the 618 mark, actually, now that I look at it. And then it could come down if it wanted to. So I'll mark it like that, just to give you an idea. Actually, just to visualize it. And then it probably bounce off the 1618. Make a retracement. And then continue down. So it could do that, or it could actually break. But I can't see it breaking, just for the fact that it's consolidating right here. Consolidation tends to be where everything starts to reset. So it's a trend might not actually be valid anymore, but it's still the channel right here is with the, well, the consolidation zone right here is within the channel. So considering it's still in the channel, you still have to be careful on this one. But if it does go, take advantage of that. right now I just wanted to just to show you guys that it is possible to spot channels within these. I mean, not channels, but channels and consolidation within the channel. You can spot either one. The thing is, this is a monthly channel, and then this consolidation zone right here, this is more of the weekly. So just like you're gonna, like if you were to go to a smaller time frame, you would see different sorts of patterns and everything, like this head and shoulders right here. And then this, at this point, it could be forming an M just to actually bounce down. Remember, there is chances that it could actually go up, but yeah, going right up. So at this point, it's a matter of we'll see what happens. I mean, at this point, I already made 2 different zones. Well, I took profit on one area right here, which it already hit. And this one, I'm just kind of just waiting to see what happens. Will it come back and do what I think it wants to do? Retrace and make it W to bounce up? Or is it just going to continue? So at this point, I'm just going to let the market do its thing. If it comes back, that's just a better entry. That's the way I look at it. Create a better entry, go long. If it doesn't want to go long, then hey, it's more opportunity at this point. So, as for now, should I sell? Well, it is right here, bouncing off some resistance. So, at this point, I'll go small. I'm not afraid to lose $12, so. And keep in mind, typically you can use this line right here as a means of support or resistance. Most cases, it will bounce off that line. So it's like a moving support and resistance line. See, well, even a blue line is the same way. Like right now, you see it bouncing right off of here. So actually, I'm not even going to actually put a take profit zone. If it moves into profit and gets down here, what I'll actually do is pull up my stop loss like I did here. The further it goes, eventually, the further it goes on past the zone that I want, I just move it up, or in this case, down. But yeah, just look for your patterns within these zones. Always scan down the smaller time frames. I mean, that's what they're for. Get a more in-depth analysis on these things. That way it just improves your own success rate. So, at this point, M, and then swap to W. I'm looking for it that's what I'm looking for it to do. Off the zone.